To the unboxing process of these three products. I've got the Magna Clean Professional 2 and Vailant Pure EcoFit Pure 425. It's an open vent boiler, and I've got a standard Flue kit. So I'm gonna unbox this product for the first time, and we're gonna see what we've got. So I'm gonna start with this Magna Clean Professional 2. I got this product from Mr. Central Heating, and let's get this open for the first time. And today is 23rd. Is it 23rd or 24th? Today's 24th. Yeah, today's 24th of October 2019. Here I've got the manual. Sorry. Got the manual and say register online. Standard horizontal Flue kit. Alright, so this is the Flue kit, and this is what we should be having inside. I'm just gonna open it from this side. Kind of difficult to understand how this is put together, but I think just start cutting it from here. Just using your hand will be more than okay. And right here, first thing that comes up as usual is the manual or the installation process, and we've got all the kits, two of this, and then we've got the curve. I'm not sure how exactly this is meant to stack up, but as I said, I'm not a professional. I'm just doing the unboxing process because I bought this myself, and I've got this as well. You call this pipe? Yes, it is the pipe, and I've got some extra thing on the inside here, right in the middle. I don't think this can be detached, but I'll pull this. And right inside this pouch, we've got something else in there, and I'm going to take it out gently. I must say this is well packaged. This is some kind of tightening screw, and this is to hold the hose or the pipe together or somewhere, something like that. And that is all we've got inside this box. As you can see, we've got these two. We've got the pipe, we've got the tightening belts, and the cold pipe as well, just to make it probably towards the outside or from the back of the Vailant boiler. So I'm going to pull this on the side, and then we're going to deal with the Vailant boiler itself, which is underneath here.